How to lock Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can lock your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. Open up your Facebook app, and after you're on your Facebook, head over to the menu option on the bottom right. After you're on the menu section, tap on your profile. After you're there, right besides edit profile, you'll find three dots. Tap on it, and from there, you'll head over to your profile settings. Now from right here, you'll see the lock profile option. Tap on it, and as you can read from here that after you lock your profile, all your friends will be able to see your photos from your past, from your future, and whatever you post now. And not only your photos, your posts and your stories as well. Also, all your friends will see your full resolution profile picture. And yeah, so on and on, your profile will be private. So simply tap on lock profile and lock your profile. And it's that simple. That's how you lock your profile on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching.